How to add a credit card on SHEIN app. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to add a credit card on SHEIN application, open the SHEIN application on your device first. To be able to add card on SHEIN, you first need to go ahead and make a purchase. So tap on any items that you require and tap on the Add to Cart button. Once you have added items to your cart, tap on your cart option you see on the top right of your screen in order to check out. Select the items that you want to purchase and then go ahead and tap on the Proceed button. You will be asked to fill in your shipping address. So go ahead and fill in your shipping address and other details. Also, if you want to make this address your default address, then tap on the Make Default toggle button. Once done, tap on the Save button, and with this, your shipping details will be added successfully. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, under Payment Method, select the Credit Card or Debit Card option and then tap on Continue to Payment button. You will now be asked to enter your card details, so go ahead and enter your card details. Also, if you want the SHEIN application to remember your card for future use too, then toggle on the Remember This for Future Use toggle button and then tap on the Place Order button, and with this, your credit card will be added to SHEIN application successfully. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.